Look what happened to my SIM. I forgot to remove from my pocket. Oh, look at. I am not sure if this will work still. See, but the mobile number, I don't know where is it. My goodness. The number, I don't know. I forgot I put in my pocket. Now, let's see. Otherwise, again, I have to pay. I have to buy again new SIM. My goodness. I don't know if this still work. Let's see. It's like there is a deformation already. So I will try to put in this one. It's hot. So I will try to make it dry. I don't know. I hope it will dry. I hope it will dry. And it's still working. Yeah, this color blue. I like violet. So this one was in the washing because I forgot in my pocket. So let's see and try if this will still working. Haha, it's still working. This one, that one, this signal, that one. Now it's working. Wait,